Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to angle park a car. This will be a very simple tutorial and I'll be outlining the entire process with easy to follow instructions. Now let's get right to it. As you can see, I'm in a parking lot and I'm going to be parking to the right in an angled spot. Now, there's actually an angled spot between this vehicle right here and this vehicle right here. I'm going to park right in between those two vehicles. I'll start off by explaining how to do it, and then I will demonstrate it. So, firstly, you are going to locate the parking spot that you want to park into, which is between those two vehicles right there. And then you want to put your turn signal on and do all of the necessary checks to make sure that it is safe to actually make your way into the parking spot. You are going to continue moving forward until your side mirror lines up with the closest line of the parking spot. So right now, I'm going to be making sure that my right side mirror lines up with the closest line to me on the parking spot. There's a line that's closer to me and one that's further from me. The closest line. Once you've lined up your mirror to that line, you want to turn your steering wheel almost all the way to the direction of the parking spot. You want to start advancing forward and then you want to slowly make your way into the parking spot. Let's get right to it. I'm actually going to mount the camera right over here. Let's make our way to the parking spot over there. Let's get a good angle just like that. All right, let's make our way. I put the car in drive. I've located the parking spot. I put my right turn signal on and I make my way towards the parking spot, okay? Once again, it's right over here. Now I'm stopping right now, which is basically when my right side mirror has lined up with the line of the parking spot that is closest to me. So right now, there's the line of the parking spot. You can see that little bit of yellow right there. It goes just like that. My right side mirror is lined up with the line of the parking spot that's closest to me. There's also another line over there, but that's further from me when I was going into the parking spot. The closest line, okay, the first line that you're going to pass. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my steering wheel, I'm going to turn it almost all the way. Like this is all the way. I'm probably going to turn it about that much right there. So almost all the way. I'm going to release the brake pedal. And as you can see, my car is slowly making its way in. Now you have to use your judgment. You have to look at the other car and make sure that you're not going to hit it. Make your way into the parking spot. As you can see, I'm just holding my steering wheel like this. And when your car is straight with the parking spot. So right now my car's lined up straight with the parking spot. Right about now, I'm now going to straighten out my steering wheel and just drive forward straight into the parking spot. And what happens is, you end up being in the parking spot. I'm just going to put my car in park now. And as you can see, I have angle parked my car between two other cars. There's one over there, and there's one over there. I am pretty much perfectly centered in between both of the cars, and I've managed to angle park my car in between those two vehicles in an angled parking spot. It's actually a really simple process. The key is to make sure that you line up your mirror with the parking spot line that is closest to you. Then you want to turn your steering wheel almost all the way, make your way into the parking spot, and then straighten your steering wheel once you are straight within the parking spot. Basically, parallel between the two parking spot lines. It's actually a very easy process. And the key to doing this properly is practicing. The more that you practice parking in angled parking spots, the easier that it'll be for you to actually do it. So practice. When you find a parking lot that has some angled parking spots in it, practice, 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 practice until you get it perfectly right every single time. And that's basically it. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video tutorial on how to angle park a car. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment below to let me know what you think about this video and my angled parking method. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.